All right, so in video number 7, we're going to be talking about audio courses. So what kind of lead magnets can you create for audio courses? Well, you can take portions of audio courses or use the part of the whole method. You can use podcasts, you can use interviews. So it really could be any of the previous mentioned in the video courses, in the ebooks and stuff like that. So you could use that as well, but specifically if you were to start with audio courses, start with portion of audio courses, podcasts, interviews, compilation of audio, kind of like the snippets. So you could take, 30-second clips or very short snippets of the audios that you think would really appeal to your audience that you're attracting. So you could essentially create different lead magnets if you want to, and create different themed audio clips. Now, I would recommend that you would use some places like SoundCloud.com to store your audio hosting. So depending on where you want to host this video. So for example, if you want to get them onto your list, you want to provide them to a link to your audio interviews and things like that, and you're using a WordPress site, maybe you want to upload these audio players and audio files to your WordPress site, or you could upload it anywhere you would want to do that, but you would need to have a place to host your audio. So you could essentially use WordPress if you want to, but I would recommend SoundCloud because not only would you get people onto your list via that, you would also get more traffic via the internet by using SoundCloud. So if you go to soundcloud.com, you're going to see this website. And if you scroll down, this is kind of how the audio players are going to look like. So you can have smaller ones, that's fine. They have different sizes, different ranging of different designs and things like that. But this is basically what it looks like. And if we go here and we type in something like health, you can see, all the health, different podcasts and tracks and things like that. So this is kind of how it's going to look like. You can upload your files to SoundCloud. They will give you an embed code, which you can embed that onto your website. And then, of course, you can provide that link to people via your email, your autoresponder, or wherever. So it just makes life easier for you. So if you go down this route, you create audio snippets, you can do this, or you can also create a podcast and simply go to buzzsprout.com, which is a very easy site to use. I've personally used it to create podcasts before, and all you have to do is take the audio file, dump it in here, and buzzsprout.com will basically publish it to iTunes, to other mediums as well in relation to podcast. So these are just many of the options that you can use, but these are options that I have personally used and tested, and can definitely say that you can get a lot of traffic from these sites and just from using these sites and submitting podcasts to iTunes and things like that. But you can essentially use this as a free lead magnet by uploading your audio files to SoundCloud.